You're on board the news track. There's already a border dispute with Nepal, and now the Nepal police today opened fire, killing an Indian civilian, injuring two others near a border village in Bihar's Sitamarhi district. This comes at the back of India and Nepal being locked in a tense dispute over 35 square kilometers of land, which is actually, India says, in Uttarakhand, and Nepal now insists is actually Nepalese land. Here's a look at this report.
An Indian civilian was shot dead by Nepal border police troops close to the border with Sitamarhi district in Bihar. Two people were injured in the firing.
विवाद हुए वही मतलब विवाद हुआ हम तो घर पर थे थे नहीं सुनने में आया कि कोई बच्चे बोलने से विवाद हो गया तो मार बैठा
कौन मार बैठा
पुलिस नेपाल वाला
गोली चलाने लगा
हाँ तो बाद में बोला कि सब बोला कि पकड़ो जाओ मारता है तब गोली चलाने
कितना फायरिंग किया वो लोग
17 फायरिंग हुआ
The firing took place after an altercation between locals and the Nepal's armed police force personnel over an Indian family's visit inside Nepalese territory. The family had crossed the open border to visit their Nepalese relatives.
One of the daughter-in-law is from Nepal. She's a Nepal citizen. So you are very well aware that people get married from this side to that side. So the ties are quite strong. And it is said by Nepal APF people that they objected to this, saying that the lockdown in Nepal continues up to 14th of June. So they wanted him to go away.
The tragic loss of life in police firing came as tensions heightened over Nepal's move to claim Indian territories. Nepal stirred a diplomatic row by releasing a new political map that includes Lipulekh, Kalapani and Limpiadhura. All three areas are part of Uttarakhand.
We have always in consistent position that Lipulekh, Kalapani and Limpiadhura belongs to Nepal. We have no any geographical or political ambition.
India on Thursday reiterated its position on the ongoing border dispute with Nepal, asserting that it values deep ties with the Himalayan nation.
We deeply value our civilizational, cultural and friendly relations with Nepal, and our multifaceted bilateral partnership has expanded and diversified in recent years. This is because of the enhanced Government of India's focus on humanitarian development and connectivity-related projects.
Nepal watchers suspect ultra-nationalist politics is playing out in Nepal and that China is pushing Nepal to adopt an anti-India stance. With Geeta Mohan, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.